little learners! Welcome to Alphabet Adventures, the funniest way to learn your ABCs. Today we're going to dive into the ABCs with photos that will have you laughing and learning at the same time. Are you excited?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A is for apple, as red as can be. B is for bear, a large animal with thick fur and hooked claws. C is for cat, a small animal often kept as a pet. D is for dolphin, a large grey intelligent sea creature. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. F is for fish, an animal with gills and fins that lives in water. G is for giraffe, a tall African animal with a very long neck. H is for hippopotamus, a large grey African animal that spends a lot of time in water. I is for ice cream, sweet, frozen food made from cream and sugar. J is for jellyfish, a kind of sea animal with a jelly-like body. K is for kangaroo, an Australian animal that hops on its back legs. L is for lion, a large African and Indian wildcat. M is for mermaid, an imaginary creature that is half woman and half fish. N is for nest, an object built by a bird from twigs, leaves. O is for orange, a citrus delight. P is for panda, black and white bear. Q is for queen, a woman who rules a country. R is for rabbit, a small animal with long ears that moves by jumping. S is for star, light up us at night. T is for turtle, a reptile with a hard rounded shell that lives in and near water. U is for umbrella, protects us from rain and sunlight. V is for van, a car that takes us on vacation. W is for watermelon. It is a fruit rich in water. is the xylophone, making music fun. Y is the yo-yo, it's a toy that goes around and around. Z is the zebra, it's wild and black and white. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Well, that wraps up our alphabet adventures today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember, learning can be a laugh-a-lot journey. Stay curious, keep laughing, and I'll see you on the next alphabet adventure. Bye for now.